Right now we are heading to the waterfall Hat Yai. There is so beautiful and nature green, and there is a lot of fish in the water, in the stream. Okay, let's go and check it out. I used to go there once time. This is just such a beautiful area. And okay, there is about 11 a.m. morning, but sunny day, extremely hot. You see that? Because I'm just sitting on the pickup truck on the back side, and there's only me at the back because I am a man. I have to sacrifice for women and children. They are sitting inside to get AC, air conditioning. Yeah, it's very important for children. And okay, let's check it out when we got there. Car is still running fast because here is it on the main road, on the highway. Yeah, the road is quite large. There is a two-lane highway. Come on, guy. Oh, you can see beyond that there is a mountain. It's called Doi Kho Hong. Hong is it? The Thai's name is mean. That's mean by the. What is that? Hong is it's an animal. Swam. Hong. Yeah. The beautiful swam lake. That's mean to swam lake. Maybe that mountain look like a swam lake. Swam lake. Yeah. It's a beautiful name. Getting close at the entrance way into the park and the water for the painting. Wow, there is strong wind. Why is the car is running? Yeah, maybe you can hear my voice clearly. Okay, I just let you see the view with me. There's the mountain. It's a real nature. You can feel it. It's been for a while. I haven't getting closer the nature, the park. Oh, here's the entrance gate. There is a signpost showing, oh, Happy New Year. That's so cute. There's some wild animal standing in front of the waterfall. I'm not sure. There's some still exist wild animal around here. But anyway, it looked cute. Okay, now we got into the park, the nature park. Our car keep going, keep driving into, dipping into. There's a valley under the main road. Yeah. Wow, it's a green forest, wire forest. Okay, our car, let's keep driving. Our car keep driving through this car parking lot. What's that? Oh, it's quite cloudy. Hey, น้ำตก This is the step walk up to the hill and the top of the waterfall. Okay, let's go. Wow, it's too steep. I don't know where is the end. Walking way is getting narrow and narrow. I just walked up a few minutes. I got tired. I'm not sure will I get reach at the top. You see that? Some area they don't show me you in the social media. The way that they get through, they just show you the beautiful parts. But here, actually, it's beautiful. It's the nature. You see it. Wow. See the rock. It seems like I wander into the wild forest. You see that? What is it? What it is caution. Please follow the path. Okay. Please follow the path. You just reminded, don't take off the side, don't go another way, just follow the path. Wow, that's amazing. Oh. Ooh. That's okay. Here is also a check map. Right now, where I'm standing. Okay. โดนบ้า โดนปิว โดนงาช้าง Maybe I just get a second. Wow, amazing. It's a real waterfall. I think it's the most beautiful waterfall in Hat Yai. And I never been here before. Look at that. Oh. The tree is surrounding by the waterfall. There's a steep cliff. The water fall down from the top. Look at it. Oh, there is a cutter to take a break, take a rest for some time, when we get tired. Oh, come on, man. ทางไปชั้น 3 Okay, so now I had a second level. Checkpoint. How did the checkpoint? Beautiful. It's a beautiful nature. Keep going. Oh, here's a toilet. Amazing. Everywhere has accommodation for people. Come visit here. This is amazing. Keep climbing, keep walking up. Ooh. Why so steep? There's no way at all. We have to climb. Oh, they're setting a rope here to hold up. Is it very helpful? If there's no rope there, it's so hard to get up, to get the top. You see here how I get through that. Okay, maybe I have to stop filming here. Okay. route path is so look dangerous. You see that? Wow, everywhere is steep, the rock and tree roots. I don't know, guys. Okay, keep going. My job is keep going until I get the top. Wow. It's still a way far to get there. Let's do it, don't worry. You will get there. Ooh, look at that. Is it the way to get at the top? Can you imagine how hard it is? It's not easy at all. Come on. Even get there. I think it's worthy. Why? Ha. Whoa. Look at this. It seems like I am trained. I'm being trained by the coach in the army. I'm not sure. Look at here. It's amazing. Okay, I just came up at the bottom to get up here. You see that? I came up along that rope. Oh, it's not easy at all. Is it impressive? But I like this. This way is so challenging. It makes me mindfulness. Everywhere I step out, I need to be careful. Okay, luckily I come visit in the dry season. There is no more slippery anywhere. If I come in the rainy season, I think it would be really slippery everywhere. Is it impossible to get up here? Okay, keep going, keep walking. Look at there. Wow. Look at that, how beautiful it is. This is the real waterfall. Real waterfall. This is the longest waterfall as far as I have seen before. Ooh. Look at that. It's amazing. Under area. ပေါ့พื้นที่เสี่ยงอันตราย risk area. Okay, everyone come here. Need to be careful. Wow, that's amazing. what is behind me. Currently I'm standing at the fourth level of waterfall Hat Yai. Hat Yai National Park. Look at this behind me. It looks amazing. Beautiful nature. It's quite high and extremely hard to walk up to get here. Even I just got at the fourth level. And then the whole waterfall is at seven level. But I don't think I'm going to get at the top. Yeah, over there at the top. At the top is 7 level and just got 4th level. Maybe it's just only the middle of waterfall. However, it's so relief when I get there, and something made me miss my hometown. Because somewhere in my hometown it looks exactly like this. And when I was a child, I got to work on the mountain. Yeah, doing farming on the mountain. It's called Loài Sai Hing mountain in our local called this mountain.